Okay, lesson 24. This is where we're going to sort of be able to pick up some extra time because I've already taught you how to clear the fractions before now. So that's what this lesson is teaching. So what we want to do is we want to think what would be the smallest number we can multiply each of these by. And that would be the 9 and the 5. Because 3 goes into 9. So that's going to be 45 for each one. So we're going to multiply each individual term by 45. Okay, when I do that, then I can say 3 goes into 45 15 times. And then I'm just going to distribute 15 to these. So this is 60x plus 15. Then I can say 9 goes into 45 5 times. And this is 5 times 8, which is 40. Then 5 goes into 45 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. Then I'm going to add up these two like terms right here. So it's a negative 40 and a positive 15. So that's going to give you a negative 25. Then we're going to add a positive 25 to both sides. And when we do that, that means over here will be positive. And so we're going to have 43 over here. And then we're going to divide by 6, and we get 43 over 6. Okay. So we have a 5 and a 3, and obviously a 1, which is underneath any whole number. So we're going to multiply each one by 15. So 15 times 4x minus 2 over 5. And then 15 times 2x plus 1 over 3. And then 15 times negative 1. Make sure you do it to both sides and each term. So 5 goes into 15 3 times. Then I'm going to distribute the 3 and get 12x minus 6. So 3 goes into 15 5 times. Now, you got to be careful here because I'm distributing the 5, but it's a negative 5. So negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. And negative 5 times positive 1 is negative 5. And this becomes a negative 15. So adding my like terms up, I'm going to get 2x minus 11 equals negative 15. Then we'll add 11 to both sides. And I'll get that 2x is negative 4. Bring it up here, and x then is negative 2. Okay, so now we're going to have a review of overlapping triangles from geometry. Remember, this is like a little teeny triangle laying on top of a large one. So if I redrew just the large one, then this whole length here is 16 plus 13, so that's 29. And this whole length here is 15 plus x. And then this length here is y. And then I'm going to use this one here. And so they are similar, okay, because they share this angle here, and these two are congruent. So by angle, they're similar. So 13 is to 29, as 15 is to 15 plus x, as 18 is to y. Just like on the previous thing that we did with similar triangles, we're going to take the one that has no variable and match it up with each of the ones with variables. So we'll use it again with the y term. Okay, we're going to cross multiply. So I've got 13 times 15, and you get 195. 13 times 15. Then 13 times x, and then I've got 29 times 15, and that's 435. Then I'm going to subtract this from both sides. That's going to yield 240, so 13x equals 240. Now, so you're going to have to divide both sides by 13, and then reduce it if you can. But that one cannot be reduced, so it's going to be 240 over 13. Okay, cross multiply this one. Then we have 29 times 18. That's 522. And then, of course, we're going to divide both sides by 13. And we're going to try and see if we can reduce that one, but I don't think that one's reducible either. No. Nope, it didn't. Okay, so we're good. Okay.